This is the load cell we are using for Yamato Multiweigher. This is the flap. So this is the assembly we received for the modification. 0, 100 gram, one more 100 gram, removing 100 gram, removing 100 gram, 0. So load cell is functioning all right with this electronics, and if we remove the bucket, it's showing negative, and if we are keeping it back to the assembly, it will come back to 0, and then again we can keep 100 gram, again we can keep 100 gram. You can remove back this 100 gram. Okay, now how is the assembly? This is ready for the after modification, the load cell connections. You can remove like this, you can connect like this, and modifications we have done. So now it's ready for the supply.